Let's go.
If I had to sit in a classroom and just do book work all the time, I'd be lost.
I always ask myself, where else would I rather be right now? And I don't really have a better answer.
I'm a mom, so my son's like, you see that tractor over there moving that dirt? My mom can do that. And it's through this program that I had the capabilities of doing those things.
Every day you go out there, you learn something new. It's fun, it's enjoyable, it's fast-paced.
Be surprised that you could be that good at something that you've never done before.
I've learned how to operate so many pieces of equipment that I've never even dreamed of actually knowing how to operate.
With it being so hands-on, it made it to where I absolutely love going to school.
HELO program is a real unique program where we go off campus into the forest with logging equipment.
Our heavy equipment logging operation, first and foremost, it sits on 70,000 acres. Just imagine the most beautiful forest setting that you could have ever imagined, and yet our students get to work in that environment. Not only getting to learn skills, but they're actually learning how to manage our forests.
In forestry and natural resources, you can visually see the impact of some of the projects that you work on. You can see a forest replanted and restored. You can see a watershed project where you've cleaned up the water quality. You get warm fuzzies, I think, working in this field.
Many other community colleges have heavy equipment operations, but we have the actual logging aspect. So how to move the logs, how to transport the logs, all of that is very unique to Shasta College.
The nice part about our program is it's really well-rounded, and it gives you a chance to experience everything firsthand, no matter what your knowledge is.
My favorite thing to do, I think, is to be out in the wilderness, camping, backpacking, fishing. I love it. I got a huge respect for it. Just to get to learn like the whole aspect of that and how sustainable logging is in California. It's been great.
One thing to know about our forestry and natural resources program is we're a relatively small program on campus. There are 2 forestry and natural resources instructors that they're going to have multiple classes with, so we get to know our students and our students get to know us. So it's not something like a general education class where you go to English and you have a bunch of faces that you don't know. And I think that makes it feel, more like a tight-knit group. If students become friends, lots of them have relationships with each other that last beyond college in terms of friendships, and they go hiking together and camping together and hunting together. So it's a tight-knit group.
One thing that I would encourage someone to do is take a step back and say, would I like to be in the woods every day? The nice part about our program being that short 1-semester program is you're able to get your foot in the door, you get that full experience, and by the end of the class it'll be very similar to what industry will be, and you can decide, yes, this is for me, or maybe I can go on this side road and maybe do the forestry side, or maybe I really like the equipment, but I don't know if I like being in the woods every day. You can go towards that construction side. So really putting yourself out there and giving it a chance would be the best opportunity.
Students who go through this program really tend to get a better idea of their impact on the environment. So students that are passionate about the environment and about forestry and natural resources, it's a really good way for them to make a big difference directly to the environment and to educate others, educate themselves, and be able to impact our communities locally.
I would strongly encourage you to maybe just take some time to reach out to Shasta College. Let some of our amazing staff and faculty visit with you a little bit about the opportunities. If maybe you're working your 9 to 5 and maybe it's not providing for your needs, or maybe you're kind of just like at a crossroads and wanting to change, come see us. We have some amazing opportunities. We encourage you to explore and see if you want to change your life.